Hey everybody! Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays! I'm Emily, this is No Expert, and today we're going to be making homemade eggnog. As you can probably see, I am home for the holidays, and we're going to be cooking this up in my parents' kitchen. So welcome to my house. Here is my culinary assistant, Stella the dog. So there's a lot of different ways to make eggnog, to be honest. You can go all in on the raw eggs and say salmonella risk be damned. You can temper the egg yolks and get rid of the egg whites, add whipped cream instead. Some people temper the egg yolks but then don't cook the egg whites. One thing you don't see all that often, but which I like to do, is I temper my egg yolks and I make like a Swiss meringue, like a loose Swiss meringue, so that my eggs are all at least a little bit cooked. Listen, I live life on the edge. I love me a little bit of cake batter. I like my eggs runny, but it just makes me feel a little bit better when I'm serving something at the holidays to a lot of different people to know that as well as being delicious, this is a little more food safe. It also tastes great, which doesn't hurt. I don't think there's a wrong way, but this is mine. Let's get started. Okay, without further ado, my eggnog recipe. First, we're going to heat together 2 cups whole milk or oat milk from my lactose intolerance, what's up, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a heavy pinch of salt. We're going to heat that on low, then take it off the heat. And meanwhile, we'll whisk together 4 egg yolks and 1/3 cup of sugar, whisking these until they are light and fluffy. Guess what? We're tempering eggs. So slowly stream the milk mixture into the eggs, then return to the pot altogether and cook for 3 minutes until slightly thickened. Add this back into your freshly cleaned bowl and add 2 cups of coconut milk or heavy cream, 4 ounces dark rum, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cognac, your choice, wink, and another teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that all together and set aside. Next, use a little bit of vinegar to wipe down your bowl and whisk just to make sure that your Swiss meringue comes together, and you're going to whisk together 4 egg whites and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Put this over a gently simmering pot of water. Hello, double boiler! And stir constantly until the mixture is opaque and the sugar is dissolved. Then remove that from the heat and whisk vigorously until soft peaks start to form. Fold into your custard booze mixture and refrigerate for at least an hour. Ladle into cups, garnish with freshly ground nutmeg, and enjoy. Cheers. Oh, that's good. That is powerful and delicious. The Swiss meringue's a little sweet on the top, but the under bit is less sweet, so if you taste it and you're like, oh, this is really sweet, keep going. Just get under there. And that's my eggnog recipe. It's boozy like the traditional recipes, but it includes tempered eggs and sort of a loose Swiss meringue, which gives it thick body. It's nice and sweet. You get that like warm, wonderful holiday flavor. And it's a little extra food safe, which is like, what's not to love? I hope wherever you are warm, cozy, and incredibly well fed. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll catch up with you later. Happy holidays, everybody. Bye. That is very good.